Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Discord keeps freezing on PC. All right, so let's begin with the video. If Discord keeps freezing on your Windows 11 computer, it's usually caused by settings conflicts, corrupted cache files, or outdated app components. Here's how to fix it, step by step. First, open Discord and click the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Here, scroll down and click on this appearance icon. Then again, scroll down and go to Advanced. Then turn hardware acceleration off. This feature can sometimes cause freezing, especially on certain GPUs. After turning it off, click Restart Discord and check if the issue is resolved. If Discord is still freezing, the next step is to clear its cache files. Go to your Windows search bar and search for Run. Once it is opened, type %app_data% and press Enter. In this window, find the Discord folder, right-click it, and delete it. If it won't delete, make sure Discord is fully closed. Go to your hidden taskbar and right-click it in the taskbar and click Quit Discord. After that, go ahead, delete this again, and it will be deleted. Then go back, click on App Data at the top, and then open the local folder. Here, again, find Discord and delete that folder as well. This removes corrupted temporary data that often causes freezing. After clearing the cache, reinstall Discord. Open your browser, search for Discord download, go to the official website, and download the latest version of Discord app. Once it is downloaded, run the installer and let it reinstall fresh files. In most cases, turning off hardware acceleration or clearing the app data or local files fixes Discord freezing completely. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Discord keeps freezing on PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.